Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a new feature that's been making waves in the smartwatch world, Garmin's integration with WhatsApp. Now, I know what you might be thinking, another smartwatch feature? But trust me, this one's a game changer, especially for those of us who are always on the go. So let's get into it and see what all the fuss is about. First things first, let's talk about who can actually use this feature. Garmin's been pretty selective about which of their watches are compatible. If you've got a watch released in 2025 or 2026, you're in luck. But if it's older than that, you might want to hold off on getting too excited. The list of compatible watches includes the D2 Air X15, Enduro 3, Fenix 8 Series, Fenix 8 Pro Series, Fenix E, Forerunner 570, Forerunner 970, Tactics 8 Series, Venu 4 Series, Venu X1, and Vivo Active 6. So, if you're in the market for a new smartwatch, keep an eye out for these models. Now, let's talk about the setup process. It's pretty straightforward. You'll need to download the Connect IQ app on your phone and then navigate to the WhatsApp section. From there, you can install the app on your watch. It's installed in the same place as other full apps or sport apps, rather than as a widget or glance. Once installed, you'll need to link it up using a QR code, and that's where the fun begins. When you open up the app on your watch, you'll see your 10 most recent conversation contacts, along with the 10 most recent messages for each one. You can open up a conversation to read text messages and reply, or compose a new message. When you do that, you'll see the option to type out a message using the mini keyboard or choose from a list of 6 quick replies. It's a pretty seamless process, and it's nice to have the convenience of replying to messages right from your wrist. Now, let's talk about the limitations. One of the biggest disappointments is that the feature only supports text messages. All other imagery, including photos, stickers, GIFs, and even photos taken from the camera within the WhatsApp app, is unsupported. This is a bit of a bummer, especially since Garmin watch users on iOS can't see regular text/iMessage photos due to Apple limitations. It's a missed opportunity, in my opinion. Another limitation is that this feature doesn't work over LTE on Garmin's Fenix 8 Pro series of watches, which have a built-in cellular connection. You'll need your phone to be connected to your watch and nearby for it to work. So, if you're in the shower or in a situation where your phone is out of reach, this feature might not be as useful. But for quick yes/no responses, it can be handy. In conclusion, Garmin's WhatsApp integration is a step in the right direction, but it's not without its flaws. It's a useful feature for those who want quick text replies when their phone is out of reach, but it's not a game changer for heavy WhatsApp users who rely on photos and other multimedia. I'm hoping that future updates will address some of these limitations and make the feature more robust. So, what do you think? Is this a feature you'd use, or is it just a nice to have? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smartwatch goodness.